Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to this detailed tutorial on changing the potentiometer in your Thermomix TM31. This repair can seem daunting, but with the right tools and guidance, you'll have your machine running smoothly in no time. Let's get started. First, gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a set of tweezers, and a multimeter for testing the potentiometer. Make sure to have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small parts. Begin by unplugging the Thermomix TM31 to ensure safety during the repair process. Next, carefully remove the base of the machine. Use your Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the screws located at the bottom. There are typically 6 screws that you need to remove. Keep them in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, carefully lift the base off. Be cautious of any wires and components that may be attached. Now, you should see the internal components of the Thermomix. Take a moment to visually inspect the area for any dust or debris. It's a good practice to clean the internal parts with a soft cloth or compressed air to ensure optimal performance. Next, locate the potentiometer. This component is usually situated near the control panel. To access it, you may need to remove additional screws or components. If you aren't comfortable doing this, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert help. Once you have accessed the potentiometer, disconnect the wires attached to it. Make sure to note the configuration or take a picture for reference during reassembly. Now, using your flathead screwdriver, gently pry the old potentiometer out of its slot. Be careful not to damage the surrounding components. Now it's time to install the new potentiometer. Align it properly and press it into place until you hear a click. Reconnect the wires according to the reference you made earlier. If you don't have the tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get the help you need. Before reassembling the Thermomix, it's essential to test the new potentiometer. Use your multimeter to check for continuity and ensure it's functioning correctly. If everything checks out, proceed to reattach the base of the Thermomix. Remember to screw in all screws securely, ensuring that there are no loose parts. Once the base is back in place, plug in your Thermomix and turn it on to test the new potentiometer. Adjust the settings to ensure everything is working properly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact us for a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs involved before proceeding. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the potentiometer in your Thermomix TM31. Regular maintenance like this can greatly extend the life of your appliance, so don't forget to keep it clean and in good working order. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing for more technical guides on appliance repairs. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.